Hi and welcome to Pickles Fixed Price Melbourne. Here we have the 2018 built, 2019 complied Holden ZB Commodore RS Liftback with 15,007 kilometres. The vehicle features parking sensors, rear camera, park assist, collision alert. Let's have a look around the rear of the vehicle. Also has comfort entry as well, as you can see there. Let's have a look inside. We have the sports seats. Just 15,000 kilometres on the clock. Great example. Comes with a Victorian Road Worthy certificate, and should you want any further information on this vehicle, please feel free to check out the condition report on our website. Well, there you have it, 2019 complied Commodore Liftback.